Let's now talk about the trade spat between the world's two biggest economies because there are signs that China is getting nervous. The country's central bank has injected nearly $75 billion worth of liquidity into the banking system. And according to our next guest, the move is all about keeping the wheels of the Chinese economy moving. Peter McGuire of XM.com joins us now from Sydney. Keeping the wheels of the economy moving to basically pump prime a slowing Chinese economy.
Well, that's exactly right. We're down at 6.7% growth for the second quarter. Forecasted growth moving forward will be 6.5. That'll be the slowest number since 2016. So certainly the pedals are to the metal, and they're looking at priming.
But could this also be a move to devalue the yuan against the US dollar to mitigate the impact of steep tariffs on Chinese imports?
Well, it could be an agenda, further down the curve, but I'm thinking at the moment that as far as the PBOC is concerned, they're keeping that rate at 4.35%. As far as devaluation, it'll just be a wait and see compared to what President Trump's prepared to do in the sense of these tariffs.
75 billion US dollars. Do you think this will be enough to pump prime the economy?
I think in the short term, yes, but we wouldn't be surprised to see another round, probably in the third quarter to the fourth quarter, maybe that October-November period this year. And there is no doubt that the government is holding the wheels very firmly, and they're not prepared to let anything slip away. The shadow banking industries are concerned, and that's the major importance is what this meeting was yesterday in Beijing.
One ammunition after another. Could this have a ripple effect on the global markets?
It could. There is no doubting that. We've seen what economies are prepared to do as far as stimulation. We saw as far as QE in Europe and, of course, the US. So as China moves forward, they're looking at keeping the wheels turning and keeping the productivity up. Infrastructure will be another key important point there. And, as far as tax cuts for small business and larger business.
Peter McGuire from XM.com joining us from our Sydney Bureau. Great to have you with us talking about China's central bank and their latest monetary move.